In this video, I'll show you how to convert an image into a PDF step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Docs. Once the page loads, click on Blank to create a new document. Now, find the image you want to convert, then simply drag and drop it into the document. You can resize or adjust the image if needed. After that, go to the top menu and click on File. Then select Download and choose PDF Document .pdf. Your file will start downloading as a PDF. Once it's downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and open the file to check it. And that's it. That's how you can easily convert any image into a PDF. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.